Good morning, ma'am. I am Helena Marie T. Lopez from Bizarre 2. I am here to present my poster, and I choose the letter C, that is, responsible user and a competent producer of media and information. Why I choose letter C? But before that, here's my poster. And as you can see, there's there's a globe and the social media because it's important to us to think what we will do because there's always a consequence behind of it. And yeah, and as you can see, there's here you need to think before you do, before you click, and so on, because we just want to protect ourselves from cyberbullying, from harassment, and so on. Yes, I choose the responsible user because we need to be responsible all the time, especially when doing or when using social media, internet. And yes, as you can see, there's Messenger and Pinterest, browser, Connect, and so on that's related to internet and social media. I just wanna say let's be responsible all the time when using social media. It is also for our safety, and yes, we all know that social media is very important to us because it just like napapalibutan na tayo ng social media, and we have to communicate by using social media. And when I was senior high school, I studied the subject of media and information. That includes the social media, and it's important to study the media and information. And sometimes when we are using social media just to get information, right? So it's important to use the social media in our daily life to communicate, but we have to be responsible by doing this. And always think the consequences. So, yes, this is my poster, and I'll be ending here. Thank you for listening, Mom.